So I got this Parkside 31 piece screwdriver set from Lidl. It's quite a nice set, and obviously 3-year warranty from Lidl itself, which is good. Substantial feel to the handle, and it's quite chunky. A man-sized handle. I've had some before, and this bit wasn't very grippy, but this one is quite well made, like all Parkside stuff, which is very well priced, very low price, and the quality ratio is really great, price to quality ratio. So yeah, this is a ratcheting one, so this is locked at the moment. If you click to one side, to the right, you got reverse. If you click to the other, you've got clockwise direction. So screw the screw in, obviously with the bits here. So that's the handle bit, and we get, like I said, 31 piece set, and you can see this is a slotted bits, and the best thing, they're all numbered, or so I say marked for the sizes. Don't know if you can see there. Yeah, so let's zoom up, show you this. Yeah, so nice. And then we've got the others, which are, this is how you put this cartridge back in here, which is quite handy. Everything stays in the lidded case, which is great. Here's the screw bits. And so we've got the positive drive set also of bits. Slots there. And we've got the star ones. Sorry, not star. T1, T10, T15. So yeah, the Torx ones. So we've got Torx bits for the screw head or handle. We've got Phillips as also. Nice sizes as well. All the useful sizes are here. Oh, we've got the sort of Allen key type. Right, so yeah, that's good. And then let's try one of these on for you on the handle. Here's the handle. Bismillah. There we go. That's tightening screw. Clip it this to the right, to the clockwise, and then you got unscrewing a screw. Now, if you want to keep it locked in one position manual, you just have to clip in the middle, and it's tight, see? So you can go this way and that way, which is a bonus when you don't want the ratcheting function to be used. So you've got this on the end, and not only it doesn't tell you what it's for, maybe it's extension to the actual handle. So there, because it can't be for the bits, because it's really not holding anything. It'll drop out as soon as you pick it. So as soon as you pick this out, the bits will drop out. So don't think it's for the bits. I was thinking first it's for the bits here, but they drop out as you can see. So don't think it's for that. If you know what this bit is for on the end, let me know in the comments below, because I've not got a clue on this. It's for some reason, must be for some reason, but as I say, it doesn't mention it on in the instructions or so-called instructions. It's not really instruction, it's just a leaflet warranty service, etc., in different languages as well. So as you can see, nothing there for that. So no explanation as to what that end bit is, and so we'll just have to use it as is. Oh no, mind, put this away. Right, so let's have a look under there at the back. You see, it doesn't tell you much, I don't think. Ratchet screwdriver bit set, switchable drive for screwing twice as fast, integrated bit holder in the handle. Whoa, right. And a bit here, bit holder. So if you want to swap the bits from, say, posi drive to flat slotted, then you can just pop this bit off, get the bit out, drop it into your palm of your hand, swap the one you taken off into that, and put the one that you want to use. See? So yeah, well, I like the idea, but as soon as you pop this open, sometimes it drops out. So you have to be careful if you're in a place where you have to struggle to find it, because it drops out as soon as you open this. Sometimes it drops out like so. So put that in there, great. But then as soon as you open, there you go, dropped out. So good idea, but I think you should have had a bit of a clip or something to clip the bits into. So I know it's a bit long video, but obviously I had to explain about that. And yeah, so overall very happy with this Parkside screwdriver set, 31 piece as I said. And then you've got the bits are all there that you need, and dropped in there. Then we've got this one, and then you just, I don't know if you can put that on there with the bit on. Let's see if it can. No, so you have to release the bit, put that back in there. So a little bit tedious as well, but never mind. Like that, back there, all in, close the lid, off you go. So yeah, I think it's a good set. $7.99 when I got it. So if you see it, grab one.